Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. I've been trying to incorporate healthy recipes to my channel because I want this to be a little corner for everyone. I want this to be a channel for people that are looking for healthy recipes, indulgent desserts, and everything in between. So today I will share a healthy recipe with you. We're going to make creamy chicken zucchini bones. To make this, you're going to need 2 cups of shredded chicken, diced tomato, diced onion, cilantro, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, 1/4 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, and zucchini. The amount of chicken in this recipe will be enough for 8 to 10 zucchini bones, but for this video I will only be making 4. Cut the zucchini in half, then use a knife and a spoon to scoop out the inside of the zucchini. Place them on a baking dish, brush them with olive oil, and bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. In a pan over medium-high heat, cook the onion with a little bit of olive oil until they appear translucent. Next, add the chicken and the tomato. Season the chicken with your choice of seasoning. I use half a tablespoon of chicken powder. Lastly, add the cilantro and the cream cheese. Stir that all together until the cream cheese is completely dissolved. When the zucchini bones are out of the oven, fill them with the creamy chicken. Sprinkle them with mozzarella cheese and bake them for another 5 minutes or until the cheese melts. Lastly, garnish them with more cilantro. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you don't want to miss on any of my videos, make sure to click on that notification bell.